Stablecoins are pushing down the value of most other cryptocurrencies, triggering fear amongst traders. Bitcoins are crashing, and people have lost everything they had invested in them. The two main stablecoins from the Terra project have rapidly declined in value, causing some to comment that this is similar to the situation with Lehman Brothers in 2008, which led to a global financial crisis. Stablecoins are designed to be relatively stable as a form of transaction in our volatile crypto environment. They maintain an Onion ratio with the US dollar, and were created to be a type of currency relied on by many transactions in cryptocurrency. However, this past year has shown a lack of stability like cryptocurrencies, which is likely to hamper their growth. So how did the crash happen? Luna is a stablecoin algorithm. It signifies that it has a reserve of cash and other assets to back its token, while the procedure is stabilized through a blend of Luna and code. Crypto is a gift to the rich who are always looking to get richer while they make the middle class poorer with Ponzonomics. Solving any problem through the use of a token or an unstable currency wouldn't really be solving the problem. It's been tried before with commodity backing, and it didn't work out, said David Gerard, author of Attack of the 50-Foot Blockchain. First, Luna was not even proven to be an aid in governing. Second, by saying such things, and then going on to admit that the money itself is fake. The sentiment at first is good, and then the credibility of their source slumps its shoulders in embarrassment following this statement. Her creator, Do Kwon, is now financially invested with USD. Things got complicated after his $3.5 billion, 3.3 billion euros investment in Bitcoin as a backup plan. The Luna Foundation tweeted 37,000 Bitcoin has been withdrawn. However, a lot of people were upset because they felt like they could have done more and contributed to the cause. The Luna Foundation Guard has put a significant amount of their Bitcoin into USD. Many worry that the Luna Foundation Guard will sell a huge part of its Bitcoin to support USD. Gerard's comments reflect the traits of the plot. There was a strong element of financial crisis, as the economy shifted from manufacturing and manufacturing-led businesses. In the 2000s, when money was available, companies started leveraging it into real estate. Against this backdrop of cheap labor and high cash flows, investing in real estate had to be safer than just about anything else. Using a mortgage to get a loan or paying down debt is risky. Real estate goes up, so this may not be the best option for you. Although the United States economy was strong from in 2008, and many believed them, it is worth noting that almost everyone knew this normal was absurd. The value of housing dipped due to the financial crisis, and since then, it has been difficult to differentiate safe holdings from risky ones. It was based on nonsense and had Bitcoin at the bottom, and they actually crashed the price of Bitcoin and found that it crashed all the other cryptos because they're all correlated. What Terra's crash means for crypto and beyond. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled this month, and their struggles have been caused by a $60 billion cryptocurrency that critics are calling a Ponzi scheme. The project in question wants to develop a new type of payment device. They hope that by doing this, they can provide long-term reprieve from the global financial crisis we are currently experiencing. Because of a bank run, Bitcoin lost 86% of its value in 10 days. In the last 18 months, there have been a number of high-profile cases of people who have lost millions of dollars in virtual markets and attributed this to the introduction of the new standards for crypto exchanges. With a dip below $6,000 on February 6th, and then crashing to $3,500 for the first time ever 3 days later, 2018 was among the most painful years in crypto history, and one that will be reckoned with for many years to come. While Terra's initial investors were the ones most hurt, other people in the crypto community and beyond took a much longer time to recover from this, with legislators and regulators reviewing the situation carefully, and with skeptical eyes, there are potential long-term implications for both. One of the reasons blockchain technology is so widely endorsed is because it contains protection for those with investments. There's no question about that. In a report by Stanford University, it was found that crypto scams only affect 0.1% of United States citizens in total, but each individual can potentially lose $400 on average when investing in crypto. Currently, it is highly difficult to regulate the crypto industry due to its lack of robust rules and enforcement. Is more regulation needed? Bitcoin's price plunged about 30% yesterday to a low of $3,000 per coin as world leaders attempted to understand how exactly Bitcoin knocked the price of other cryptos. People are questioning whether Tether was responsible for destabilizing markets. There is also a concern about the company having enough USD to support the USD-backed token. This is especially true considering that Tether's value has been removed from exchanges after the release of a suspicious audit. Tether made a settlement with the New York Attorney General last year, and it was revealed that Tether relied on a set of resources, including commercial paper, an unsecured form of debt, to back its token. The debate over whether stablecoins are backed has been much debated. Due to their volatile nature, it is likely new regulations will become in place as we speak. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen pointed to Terra as evidence of the potential threat of unregulated cryptocurrency markets. A stablecoin known as Terra USD experienced a run and declined in value, Chair of the Federal Reserve Janet Yellen said in an interview with Bloomberg. Producing this kind of growth pattern is a good thing, not just because it provides some benefit to the crypto ecosystem, but also because it's difficult to produce. I lost all my life savings. Although regulation will provide justice for many of those affected, it's not enough to mitigate their losses entirely. Many users on Reddit shared their stories and the fear they lived with day to day. One member of the Luna subreddit posted, "I lost all my life savings after an unexpected catastrophe hit their bank account." A user at Reddit has a thread that they want to get feedback on, but they're not able to pay their bills because of it. Moderators of the thread posted information about a national helpline for those in this situation. Nonsense refers to the situation that ensued at the time where traders were doing inventory and other related activities without any clear orders or no orders for an extended length of time. What is a stablecoin? A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that is pegged to an asset, such as the US dollar. They are designed to be a hedge against volatility in the cryptocurrency market. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that is pegged to an asset, such as the US dollar. They are designed to be a hedge against volatility in the cryptocurrency market. The first stablecoins were introduced in 2014 by Tether. There have been many other iterations since then, and this list will grow over time. Why the Terra Luna stablecoin failed? Terra Luna stablecoin was a cryptocurrency that was created to be pegged to the value of the United States dollar. It was supposed to be an alternative for people in countries with unstable currencies. However, it failed because of a dollar crash on Ethereum, which caused its value to fall. The future of stablecoins. Cryptocurrencies are not the stable, reliable currencies that we hope for. And even if they were, it would be difficult to use them in our day-to-day lives. That's why stablecoins are so important. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar or euro. They offer stability and liquidity for crypto users and can be used as a medium of exchange in exchanges and trade transactions.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos.